Before jumping into practicals, we need to have access to our SAP DWC system. So SAP gives you trial system access. If you don't have your own system, then you can apply for trial access. So here we'll see how you can apply for trial access. So all you have to do is Google this SAP DWC trial and click on the first link. Once you click on that link, you will land here on this link, and here you can see what kind of memory you will be getting. And it says 90 days free access, but at the start it is 30 days, and it may give you option to extend it for 90 days. Once I didn't get the option, so you have to be careful. You should assume 30 days and it may get extended in 90 days. So if it expires in 30 days, you will lose all of your saved data. So remember that. And then you have to click here, start your free trial today. Now remember, if you are not going to follow this course in next 30 days, then I would advise don't activate this. If you just want to watch the videos, just watch it. But ideally, you should do practicals with me so you'll understand it better. In case you don't have time or you don't want to do the practicals, then you can go ahead and go through the course. But if you want to do the practicals and you think you will get enough time in next 30 days to complete it, then you should go for activation, because again, it is 30 days timeline. So you should be careful. So here on this page, you have to give your business email address. Here, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, those kind of email addresses won't work. It will work in case those addresses are linked to your SUser ID. If that is not the case, then enter your business email address only, then only it will work. And then give your first name, last name, company name, country name, phone number. You can skip. You can put business intelligence as department and prospective partner as relationship to SAP, and then click on this and submit. Once you submit, you will get this notification that mail has been sent and you have to check your email. In your inbox, you will get something like this, an email to activate your account. So when you click on this, you get an option of setting a password. So once you set the password, the thing is not over. After that, you will get another mail to activate your trial again. Okay, so you have to click here, and again I think you have to give your password. So it is little confusing, but that's how it is. For the second mail, you will activate your trial and you will use this URL which is given here below. This will be specialized URL for your account. You can use this URL and put your user ID, email ID basically, and the password you have set, and then you can use it. So this is how you get the access to SAP DWC trial account. So once you have access to your trial system, something like this will appear on your screen. You will have the access to this console, and from here we'll go forward in future section. So you will understand it better, and we'll be going through all the things, all the options which are available in your trial system, and we'll see how it works. So let's get started. Thank you.